Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today I will share few Zibu symbols which can be used by students and children. And these symbols will help them to focus in their studies and career and achieve their goals. Okay, so the first symbol is of wisdom. Now this will help them to access all available information easily. Next is passion, a symbol of balance and expression, and this symbol helps them to follow the right path and to reach the goal. Okay, next is of patience. Now this symbol helps them to calm down and take in all information they receive. Okay, next is balance symbol. Now this will keep them balanced and follow the right path and maintain a proper balance between their studies and their other activities. Next is willingness symbol. This symbol helps to take action without any doubt and fear, and it also opens the door for greatness. Next symbol is effortless connection. This will help them to connect effortlessly with their studies and their goals. Okay. Next is important symbol, creativity. This symbol helps to bring the creativeness in one's field, and this will help them to be more creative. Okay. Next is the release symbol. Now this symbol will help them to release all of their fears, any blockages, and also help them release any bad habit which they have. Example, laziness. Okay. Next is symbol of courage. This symbol will give them courage to face all the obstacles they have during their exams or any competition, to face without any fear. Okay. Next is encouragement symbol. This symbol will always encourage them to move forward and achieve their goals. Next is centeredness symbol. Now this brings focus to one's core and it helps to move forward effortlessly and with security and steadiness. Next is joy symbol. Now this symbol brings richness and depth in life, and it is also important symbol as this will help them to take interest in their studies and enjoy their studies. Okay. Next is simplify symbol. Now this will help them to simplify any complicated things, and it will also bring more clarity to them. Next is the healing symbol. Now healing symbol is important as it will heal them from any problem that they are facing in their life and which they are unable to share with anyone. So this symbol will heal them. Next is gratitude symbol. Now this will help them to be grateful for everything and be thankful to everyone. Next is the last symbol, blessing symbol. This symbol will always bless them in their progress and success. So you can draw this all symbol in a paper and stick it on the wall, or you can draw this symbol in the book. You can also draw this symbol and keep it near your study table, study desk. Okay. You can also draw this symbol on a bottle of water and drink that charged water. If you want, you can take a paper, keep your photograph in between, and around it draw this symbol and keep. And you can also watch my video on how to use Zibu symbols at the end of this video. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.